हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हो? आई होप सब बढ़िया होंगे। आ चुका हूँ एक नया इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक लेके, जिसका नाम है को जनरेशन एंड ट्राई जनरेशन पावर प्लांट्स। क्या आपको पता है क्या होता है ये? क्या आपने कभी इसे जानने की कोशिश की है? तो जानने के लिए चैनल को लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। तो हेलो वंस अगेन, माय नेम इज़ भंडारी संकेत। आई एम अ स्टूडेंट ऑफ गवर्नमेंट पॉलिटेक्निक कॉलेज नांदेड़। तो आज का हमारा इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक है explaining cogeneration and trigeneration process. Second is the principle of cogeneration power plant. Third is the principle of trigeneration power plant. Fourth is the essential components of a cogeneration and trigeneration power plant. Fifth is the types of cogeneration and trigeneration. And sixth is the environmental advantages and cogeneration of power plant and trigeneration power plant. तो चलिए आप आज हम इसे डिटेल में देखते हैं। एक्सप्लेनिंग ऑफ को जनरेशन एंड टायर जनरेशन ऑफ पावर प्लांट प्रोसेस। इन द को जनरेशन ऑफ पावर प्लांट इज आल्सो नोन एज कंबाइंड हीट एंड पावर और CHP, and trigeneration also known as combined cooling heat and power or CCHP. It is increase the overall efficiency of power generation by harnessing the excess heat, steam or other gases that would otherwise be lost. Using this excess thermal energy to generate electricity and useful heat means that less fuel needs to be consumed to produce the same amount of useful energy. Cogeneration and trigeneration system can make a significant contribution to reducing energy costs and improving efficiency, particularly at sites that have high demand for heating or cooling, such as schools, hospitals, hotels, and aquatic centers. Second, our second slide is principle of cogeneration power plant. In this principle of cogeneration of power plant, cogeneration is a way of generating both thermal energy and electricity. In conventional thermal power stations, outlet steam needs to be cooled before pumping it to the boiler. Again, cogeneration allows for using the waste heat and thus enhancing the overall system efficiency. The next slide is principle of trigeneration power plant. In this the power plant, the principle of trigeneration is based on generation and heat energy. Heat captured through burning waste, production of electricity with generator or heat generated through solar panels could be used to generate hot water through heat transfer equipment or cold chilled water absorption chillers. Next slide is essential components of a cogeneration and trigeneration of power plant. First is a prime mover. In prime mover converts fuel into heat and electrical energy that can be used to generate mechanical energy. Second is a electrical generator. In this converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. Third is the heat recovery system. In this captures heat from the prime mover. Our next slide is types of cogeneration and trigeneration power plants. In this, there are four types of power plant. Combined cycle CHP plant. You know that very well. What is CHP? It is a combined heat and power. Next is a steam turbine CHP plant. Third is the internal combustion engine, and fourth is a gas turbine. Our last slide is what is the environmental advantages of cogeneration and trigeneration of power plant. In this, cogeneration can be significantly reduce carbon emission and energy costs, as this EPA case study shows, reducing energy waste thereby increasing energy efficiency, offering greater energy independence by moving a portion of the load of the grid. Environmental disadvantages of cogeneration and trigeneration power plant. In this, environmental effect in particular can be distinguished in effect on air, water and soil quality, as well as noise and vibration. Since cogeneration increases the efficiency of fuel utilization, it can lead to decreased emission of pollutants of environment. I hope आपको ये टॉपिक समझा होगा। तो आई होप मेरे चैनल को लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करें। जय हिंद जय भारत।